not far from town. Gotta go, a kind of pretty place, 3 up, 2 down. I gotta go, get away.
The powerful V6 Holden Frontiera. Where have you been?
Gotta go, get away.
Limited edition Vectra Equip, $3,500 extra value. Alloys, air, power windows, cruise control. Want extra value?
This is it. This is it.
500cc action hits your screen Sunday as the land of the rising sun plays host to the high-octane thrills of the Grand Prix circuit. The Japanese 500cc motorcycle Grand Prix, Sunday 11:55 on Central.
Limited edition Commodore Equip, $4,000 extra value. Alloys, air, power windows, and cruise control. Want extra value?
This is it. This is it.
Hungry Jack's Bacon Deluxe. Do anything you can to get your paws on one.
The burgers are better at Hungry Jack's.
Hello?
Hi, sweetie. Listen, I'll be home soon with KFC.
KFC, cool. Crispy strips, crispy strips.
Mum, get the popcorn chicken. She wants popcorn chicken. Trust me.
All right, that's enough, you two.
Any chance of some original recipe?
My chicken variety basket. All the best of KFC in one easy pack.
I hope the kids weren't too much trouble. KFC.
For $42,890, you can go anywhere interesting with Discovery.
Everyone's a fan of my popcorn chicken. Bite-sized pieces of tender breast fillet chicken in a crunchy coating. It's the non-stop and mouth-popping fun that comes straight at you. Try the fantastic taste of my popcorn chicken.